In the world of software development, building even a simple application often involves integrating code written by others. This is a common practice that allows developers to leverage existing solutions and focus on creating unique features. These external code modules, known as dependencies, are like prefabricated building blocks that save you time and effort. They provide essential functionalities that would otherwise take significant time to develop from scratch. Just as a house relies on strong foundations, your software projects rely on well-managed dependencies. Without a solid foundation, both buildings and software can crumble under pressure. This is where software dependency management comes into play. It involves tracking, updating, and organizing these external modules to ensure they work harmoniously within your project. It is the art of effectively handling these external code modules to ensure your project remains robust, scalable, and maintainable. Proper management can prevent conflicts and compatibility issues. Imagine trying to build a house without organizing your bricks, timber, and nails. Chaos would ensue. The same principle applies to software development. Similarly, neglecting dependency management can lead to a tangled web of code, making your project difficult to maintain, update, and scale. This can result in wasted time and resources. Effective dependency management provides a structured approach to handling these external modules. It ensures that all components are compatible and up to date. This ensures that your project remains organized, consistent, and easy to manage, even as it grows in complexity. With proper dependency management, you can build stable and scalable software solutions. In essence, a dependency is a piece of code that your project relies on to function correctly. These dependencies are crucial for the smooth operation and efficiency of your software. Think of it like an engine in a car. The engine is a vital component that powers the vehicle, enabling it to move and function as intended. You don't need to build an engine from scratch every time you design a car. You can use a pre-built, reliable engine. This saves time and ensures that the engine is tested and dependable. Dependencies come in various forms, ranging from libraries that provide ready-made functions for common tasks to frameworks that offer a skeleton for your application. These tools help streamline the development process. These external code modules act as building blocks, allowing you to focus on the unique aspects of your project rather than reinventing the wheel. They enable you to build more complex and feature-rich applications. For instance, if you're developing a web application, you might use a dependency for handling HTTP requests, another for database interaction, and perhaps even more for other functionalities, and yet another for user authentication. Each of these dependencies plays a crucial role in ensuring your application runs smoothly and securely. Each dependency serves a specific purpose, contributing to the overall functionality of your application. By leveraging these dependencies, you can create robust and efficient software solutions. While dependencies are essential for modern software development, they can quickly become a liability if not managed properly. Imagine a construction site where materials are delivered randomly, without organization or inventory. Tools might be incompatible, materials might run out, and the entire project could grind to a halt. Similarly, in the absence of proper dependency management, your project can descend into a state of dependency hell. This nightmare scenario often involves incompatible versions of dependencies conflicting with each other, leading to cryptic error messages and hours spent debugging. Furthermore, manually tracking and updating dependencies can become a tedious and error-prone task. Each dependency might have its own set of dependencies, creating a complex web of interconnected modules that are difficult to keep track of. Fortunately, software developers have developed tools to tame the beast of dependency management package managers. These invaluable tools act as librarians for your project's dependencies, providing a centralized way to manage, install, update, and remove external code modules. Think of a package manager as a well-organized library. You can easily search for the book, or in this case, the dependency you need, borrow it, and return it when you're finished. The library keeps track of all the books, ensuring they are in the right place and in good condition. Popular package managers include NPM for JavaScript, pip for Python, Maven for Java, and Composer for PHP. These tools simplify dependency management by automating the process of downloading, installing, and updating dependencies, ensuring that your project always uses the correct versions. Section 5. Stability, a house built on solid ground. One of the key benefits of effective dependency management is increased project stability. Just as a house built on solid foundations is less likely to crumble, a software project with well-managed dependencies is less prone to errors and inconsistencies. By using a package manager and adhering to versioning best practices, you can ensure that your project always uses compatible versions of its dependencies. This reduces the risk of conflicts arising from incompatible code, leading to a more stable and reliable application. Moreover, package managers often provide mechanisms for resolving dependency conflicts automatically. They analyze the dependencies of your project and their respective versions, identifying and resolving any potential clashes before they can cause problems. Section 6. Scalability, growing painlessly with dependency management. As your project grows in size and complexity, so too does the importance of effective dependency management. Imagine trying to manage the construction of a skyscraper with the same haphazard approach as a small garden shed. The results would be disastrous. Dependency management provides the structure and organization necessary to scale your project gracefully. With a package manager, you can easily add, update, or remove dependencies without disrupting the entire codebase. This modularity makes it easier to work on different parts of the project simultaneously, fostering collaboration and accelerating development. Furthermore, many package managers offer features that streamline the process of managing dependencies across multiple environments, such as development, testing, and production. This ensures consistency and reduces the risk of errors when deploying your application. Section 7. Common dependencies tools in your programming arsenal. The specific dependencies your project requires will vary depending on the programming language, framework, and the functionality you're aiming to achieve. However, some types of dependencies are commonly used across various domains. For web development, frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js for building user interfaces, Express.js for building web servers, Axios for making HTTP requests. For data science, libraries like NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data manipulation and analysis, scikit-learn for machine learning. For game development, engines like Unity and Unreal Engine, libraries like Pygame for 2D game development. Familiarizing yourself with the common dependencies in your chosen field can save you time and effort, allowing you to leverage the work of others and focus on the unique aspects of your project. Section 8. Best Practices. Navigate the world of dependencies with confidence. Navigating the world of dependencies can seem daunting at first, but following some best practices can help you manage them effectively and avoid common pitfalls. Dependencies are essential for any project, but they can also introduce complexities if not handled properly. Keep dependencies up to date. Regularly updating your dependencies ensures you benefit from the latest bug fixes, security patches, and performance improvements. This practice not only enhances the functionality of your project, but also keeps it secure from vulnerabilities. Use a version control system. Tracking your project's dependencies in a version control system like Git allows you to roll back to previous states if needed and collaborate with others more effectively. Version control systems provide a historical record of changes, making it easier to understand the evolution of your project. Understand semantic versioning. Familiarize yourself with semantic versioning, or SemVer, a widely adopted standard for versioning software. Semantic versioning helps you communicate changes clearly and predict the impact of updates. This helps you understand the impact of dependency updates and make informed decisions about which versions to use. Knowing how to interpret version numbers can save you from unexpected issues. Document your dependencies. Maintain a clear and concise list of your project's dependencies, including their versions and purpose. Proper documentation ensures that everyone on your team is on the same page. This documentation proves invaluable for onboarding new team members and troubleshooting issues. It serves as a reference point that can save time and reduce confusion. By adopting these best practices, you can ensure that your project remains stable, scalable, and maintainable, even as it evolves over time. A well-managed dependency strategy is key to the long-term success of any software project. Section 9. Conclusion. Mastering dependency management, mastering your projects. In conclusion, Mastering software dependency management is crucial for any aspiring software developer. It's not just about knowing how to use a package manager. It's about understanding the underlying principles of modularity, versioning, and compatibility. By embracing dependency management as an integral part of your development workflow, you can build more stable, scalable, and maintainable software projects. Remember, a well-managed project is a joy to work with, allowing you to focus on creativity and innovation rather than battling with dependencies. So embrace the power of dependencies, but always remember to manage them wisely. Your future self will thank you for it. If you learned something new like the video, share your thoughts in comment section and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more related videos.